Hey guys, this is Robert, and here we have some shoes. All SWI fit. So let's open it up. Has a fitting instruction, size charts, and as you need to contact them, they have their phone number. That's it. Here is shoe itself, bottom, top here. All right. Seems pretty thin. Back's kind of solid. Material this is super thin. And then this one's here. Intelligent features or freshness. It prevents odor causing bacteria on fabric, stays fresh and clean, smelling longer. Odors off, fresh on. Okay. Yeah. That's what the shoes look like. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.